Chair, House Bill number 7721 seeks to address these long-standing gaps through a clear functional integration of blood services and blood disease care. It will establish the Philippine Blood Disease and Transfusion Center as a government-owned and controlled specialty hospital that will serve as the national referral center for prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and long-term management of blood diseases, while also providing advanced transfusion services, research, training, and data integration. This also institutionalizes the Philippine Blood Center as the national and central hub for blood collection, testing, processing, storage, distribution, training, quality assurance, hemovigilance, and coordination of the regional blood centers, consistent with the Republic Act number 7719. In short, kailangan natin paigtingin ang collection, storage, and accessibility ng dugo sa buong Pilipinas. But at the same time, kailangan din natin paigtingin din yung pag-train ng mga hematologist para ma-address natin ang kakulangan ng pag-aalaga ng mga lahat ng mga may sakit, may blood diseases, katulad ng mga anemia of different causes, especially in pregnant mothers and in young children na mataas ang incidence ng anemia. And then of course, yung leukemia and other congenital diseases like thalassemia, na ito ang mga majority na nangangailangan ng dugo sa ating bansa. So, this representation wishes to appeal to the committee to approve this bill. Maraming salamat, Madam Chair.